as COOH group, that means the same as this, that I have a carbon double bond to an oxygen and an OH. Okay? Carboxylic acids names end in oic acid, benzoic acid, methanoic acid, ethanoic acid. Does that make sense? Tip: when naming carboxylic acids, the carbon in the COH group comes first. You start numbering from the side that you've got the carboxylic acid group. Another thing that you need to know, this has a name. Do you know what the name is? It's called the carbonyl group, which is basically the C double bond O. You're going to see it in other functional groups as well. Okay? So, if I have this molecule, which side do I start numbering from? Excellent. Always from this end. This is always going to take preference to everything else. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think it's going to be called? What's the longest chain's name? If I didn't have a carboxylic acid there, butane. So the way we name this, butane, drop the E, it becomes butanoic acid. So basically you're dropping the E and adding oic acid to the end. Butane from butane. Drop the E and change it to oic acid. Clear? And we number from this side. Let me test you. How do I name this one? Okay, so where's my longest chain? It's this one here. Okay? Do I have a branch? Yes. Remember that this is part of the carboxylic acid, so I'm not looking at this side. I do have a branch. At what position is this branch? 3, because I started counting from this side. Okay? So how do I name this? Thank you. 3 dash. Please don't forget the dash. Methyl. There we go. That's it. The prefixes is always the same, especially when we're looking at the branches. Okay? Name the same way. You look for the position, it comes first, dash, the name, and then the rest. Does that make sense?